Are you new to crypto and wondering which exchange is right for you? In this video, we're going to dive into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular platforms, Kraken and Crypto.com. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one fits your unique needs as a beginner. Let's get started. Kraken, the secure and low-fee champion shield. Kraken has been a long-standing player in the crypto space, known for its robust security features and competitive fee structure. For beginners, the primary Kraken platform is a solid choice. It's user-friendly, with a straightforward interface for buying, selling, and converting cryptocurrencies. Kraken also offers a vast selection of over 450 cryptocurrencies, giving you plenty of options to build a diverse portfolio. They're also praised for their excellent educational resources, which are perfect for someone just starting out. What really sets Kraken apart is its focus on security. They use advanced measures like proof of reserves to verify that they hold the assets they claim. They also go a step further with security features like Master Key and Global Settings Lock, which protect your account from two-factor authentication failures. While Kraken's main platform is great for beginners, they also offer Kraken Pro for more experienced traders, which has advanced features but maintains the same low-fee structure. The main drawback for Kraken is its availability, as it is not offered in all 50 U.S. states. Crypto.com, the mobile-first ecosystem mobile phone. Crypto.com, on the other hand, is a platform that has rapidly gained popularity, largely due to its focus on building a comprehensive crypto ecosystem, with a mobile app at its core. If you're a beginner who plans on trading and managing your crypto on the go, Crypto.com's mobile app is considered one of the best in the market. It's incredibly intuitive and offers a wide range of features. Beyond just trading, Crypto.com provides a suite of other services, including the Crypto.com Visa card. This prepaid debit card allows you to spend your crypto in the real world and earn rewards, which is a big draw for many users. The platform also offers crypto earn, staking, and a variety of other financial services, making it a true one-stop shop. The trading fees on Crypto.com are also very low, and they support a large number of cryptocurrencies. However, with so many features, the sheer number of options can sometimes feel a little overwhelming for a brand new user. The verdict: Kraken versus Crypto.com. So, which one should you choose? If you prioritize security, low fees, and a platform with a huge selection of assets, Kraken is likely the better choice. It's a no-nonsense exchange that focuses on giving you a secure and cost-effective way to trade. If you're a beginner who values convenience, a sleek mobile experience, and want to explore a wider ecosystem that includes a debit card and other financial products, then Crypto.com will be a fantastic fit. Ultimately, both are excellent, secure platforms with great reputations. The best choice comes down to your personal priorities and how you plan to interact with your crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.